Hello, this video to explain the aim of RSI reverse engineering indicator for MT4 platform. I won't explain the mechanism of RSI standard indicator, but I will show you what I did around this indicator. I made another video to explain the reverse engineering mathematical theory. Here I will show you one example of reverse engineering use. Except for corner cases, the RSI indicator is calculated on candle closure, and the mathematical function implies that the values of the RSI stays in a range from 0 to 100. At this point I assume that I didn't tell you anything new. Lots of trading strategies are using RSI level crossing. I'm sure you already heard when the RSI breaks this level, we have a long signal or a short signal. The aim of the reverse engineering is to translate this sentence using the price level instead of the RSI level. This information will be now when the candle breaks the price level, we have a long signal or a short signal. The consequence of that is that you will better understand this information, perhaps seeing that you already knew this level or you already draw a level close to it. And perhaps you could set a conditional order on this level and stop looking at your platform, stop surveying your RSI oscillator. Here is an example of the DAX in 15 minutes. The RSI oscillator is already inserted with a 14 as a period. I will then add the RSI reverse engineering indicator, choosing the same period as the oscillator. So if you'd rather use the RSI in 21 period, you can change whatever you want. Selecting the level I want to survey, for example 70, because I can see that the RSI is around 70. The show price option is to write the price that has to be crossed on the live candle. Then I can choose the color, for example red, because 70 is my overbought area. And then you can choose any alert you want, for example the sound alert, the pop-up alert, or if you correctly set up your platform, this indicator is even able to send a notification or email. About the debug mode, it's just for the hotline. If you have some trouble with using this indicator, you can contact the hotline and they may ask you to switch on this option. It's just to have a better understanding with your issue, but don't switch it to true if it's not mandatory. Then I click OK, and then a red line is now in the middle of my candles. As I specified that I want to show the current price, here I know that if I want that the RSI is crossing down again the level of 70, the price has to go back to 11,319 on the DAX. So you can see the red line, and when the candles are crossing the line, you can see that the RSI is crossing the level 70 exactly at the same time. So you can see a cross here, and then a touch, and then crossing several times, a touch on this candle, the close to the line, so the RSI close to 70. This indicator is also useful to investigate on the past. Look at this green candle. Without reverse engineering option, how could you know if the RSI is crossing the level close to the bottom of the candle, in the middle of the candle, or on the top of the candle? Now you know exactly the price implying the cross on the RSI. When the candle crossed 11,107, the RSI was crossing the level 70. As another example, you probably know a strategy based on another RSI level, for example, the middle. So you can modify the level you want to survey, or you can add another instance of the indicator specifying the middle zone, the middle area, and then another color. Just click on OK, and now you can see that the level to cross on the live candle is far away. And of course it's so far because at the moment the RSI is upper than level 70, so it will be difficult to cross the level 50 in the same candle without moving a lot. But you can see that on this green candle you have the cross of the level 50. Another important information you can see here is that the next candle did a pullback on the level before going up and up and up. So you can see the cross and you can see the price action too. You can choose the level you want from 0 to 100, and I hope this indicator will help you. If you need more information on this indicator, if you are interested to apply reverse engineering on your loving indicator or to show another pattern, don't hesitate to send me an email at this email address. Thank you for